I'm going to be leading an in-person workshop soon, and I wanted to tell you a little bit of what it's going to be about. The first thing to know is whenever I'm preparing for a workshop and I'm channeling the content for it, what I receive actually changes based upon who's going to be present in the workshop. So in this way, it's pretty cool because I'll receive different exercises or perhaps a reframing of the information so that it's best suited for who's going to be there. And that continues the day of. And the content may shift again a little, but also the frequencies that are channeled to create the space are provided for those who are present so that it's in alignment for the group and also for the individuals that are there. We're going to be talking about manifestation and alignment and doing some exercises so that each individual can begin to find his or her own perfect center in a way that facilitates and helps the manifestation and alignment process. We're going to be connecting to and discovering the voice of our higher selves and all those elements that are helpful in assisting us in connecting to our aligned life path. But again, some of it will be a surprise. And so I look forward to seeing you there if you decide to come and the journey that awaits us.